What's going on, traders? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Juba Snipe. So guys, as we speak, we're killing Euro Kate, as you can see here. So guys, I'm showing you every single trade that I took. When I win a trade, I always make sure, guys, I share it with you so that you can be able to learn how I take my trades, you know what I'm saying, and it's going to help you become profitable in future, you know what I'm saying. Maybe you might be not making profit yet, you know what I'm saying, because you don't have enough information. So I'm doing this for you guys. So once you see this kind of videos, please make sure you watch the full video, because there is some secret inside which you don't have to miss. So right now I'm going to show you guys how I was able to find this trade right here as a Euro Kate. I'm showing you everything, no cap, no secret, you know what I'm saying. So I'm going to take you guys through the chart just to show you how I was able to find this trade, and the same reason that made me kill this market, it might be the same reason that's going to help you make money in the forex market using the same reason, you know what I'm saying. Remember guys, we copy and then we paste. So you can copy from me and then you paste, you make it my strategy to your strategy, you know what I'm saying. So this is how you're going to be able to start making this money. You have to look at how we do things, and you must apply the same to your trading journey. So if you're watching, please, before we jump to the market, please remember, subscribe to the channel and like the video, and join the free Telegram group. The link is on the description below, so that once you decide, you can join our VIP group and we start making this money together, you know what I'm saying. So let's get to the chart. Let me show you how I was able to find this trade right here. Let's get it. So now, as you can see here guys, we're on the chart, you know what I'm saying. We have the Euro Kate on the chart, you know what I'm saying. So I want to show you guys how I find this trend and be able to make the profit from this trade, you know what I'm saying. Remember guys, everything that I'm showing you right here are the things which they make me money, right? So I do this for you guys to learn and to be able to know how you can take the trades by yourself, you know what I'm saying. So first of all guys, you can see that the market has been moving in this way. You can see in the first place the market was at this point, gave us high. After that the market gave us a high low, you know what I'm saying. After high low we got another high, you understand, and we got another high low, and we got another high, and we got another high low. After this high low right here, we now getting another high, understand. So right now in this situation, I want to show you how I was able to find this trade and make the profit from it. As we speak, me and my team, you know what I'm saying, we're killing this market, no cap. As you can see, some profit right here, you know what I'm saying. So this is how I found the trade, you know what I'm saying. Let me show you. This is how I found the trade. Since I see that the market gave me the first high and high low at this point, what I did at this point is I did something like this. I pulled up my trend line at this point here. I connected these two. I connected these two right here. So in my mind I was like, okay, so now I can see that the market is trying to create some uptrend thing. So right now what I'm going to be waiting for, I'm going to be waiting for the market to give me another 30 touch somewhere here. The market did go up, and as soon as the market came back down here, as a pullback. This one right here was just a pullback. You know what I'm saying? It's your good time to enter in the market. But I didn't catch this one because I wasn't around the market. When I come back to the market, it was already at this point. I was like, okay, cool, it's fine. So I'm going to wait the market to come back again at this point here. And the market did come back at this point here. And after the market came back at this point here, you know what I'm saying, what I did is just to confirm that the market is about to go up on uptrend again. What I did is I just put it another resistance, because this one is the support. And then what I did, I created another resistance according to the highs that I see here. Then I was like, yo, you know what, let me just put the resistance, you know what I'm saying. And now you can see that we had a support and resistance. So this is very clear, right? I hope you can see now that the market, it's already give you the channel, you know what I'm saying. You can see the channel clear, that the market is moving in between support and resistance. Remember, I put the resistance since the market was at this point right here. Since the market was at this point right here, because I want to have the clear picture, you understand. And that's why I put it this resistance. After that, I try to switch on 30 minutes just to have a clear picture, you know what I'm saying. And on 30 minutes, yeah, what's going on? Hold on. And on all 30 minutes, guys, on 30 minutes, you can see that we had this rejection candlestick right here, this one right here. And then I took this rejection candlestick as my confirmation, because you can see that this is what has been happening here at this point here. You understand? Look at this, the rejection candlestick, and we got another rejection candlestick. Then I was like, yo, you know what, I gave the signal to my team. I was like, yo guys, let's get to the market. What we did is we just put it our stop loss right here. You understand? This is what we did, guys. We just put our stop loss right here because we catch the market from this point here, and then we put our stop loss here. You know what I'm saying? You know, somehow, guys, you don't have it doesn't matter like the stop loss is big or whatever, but the stop loss, it always has its own place to be. If you don't just wanna put the stop loss where it's supposed to be just because you're scared of the pips for the stop loss, sometimes doesn't work. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to tie the market too much, because look, this is where we got the market from. We got the market from this point here. So if we could say like, yo, you know what, let's just put our stop loss right here. Since we got the market from this point here, let's just put our stop loss here, something like this. No, it's not gonna work. You need to pull your stop loss below the first high low. You know what I'm saying? If you're buying, you must put your stop loss below the first high low. You know what I'm saying? If you selling, you must put your stop loss at the previous lower high. You know what I'm saying? So this is where we put our stop loss, and now you can see guys, we're up. You know what I'm saying? We're up. We're expecting to exit at this point here. This is where we're expecting to exit the market. Yeah, understand? This is where we're expecting to exit the market, and you can see now, guys, we're moving in a good in a good profit. You know what I'm saying? So this is how I was able to find the trade. You know what I'm saying? It's very easy, guys. I don't want to show you complicated things. I just want to keep it simple for everyone to understand how to do it. You know what I'm saying? So just keep it simple, guys. Don't make it complicated things.
And once you find the market is like complicated, you know, so it doesn't show you a clear moves, then leave the market, find another market. You know, so you don't have to force yourself on one market which doesn't even have a clear, you know what I'm saying. So focus only on the market that has good moves and a clear market, you know what I'm saying. So this I was able to find the trade. You can see, guys, was very easy, you know what I'm saying. Let me just repeat for the last time for you guys. You can see here high lows right here, high low, high low, and high. We're expecting right now. So yeah, after this point maybe the market is gonna shoot again this point, but we're gonna enter according to the confirmations that we get right here. Remember, guys, you don't just enter the market, you only enter the market until you have a beautiful candlestick confirmation, something like this. Now you can see here, this was a very beautiful rejection candlestick. Shows you that no more sellers in the market, is now under control with the buyers. So peace out, guys. I hope you learned something from this. Please, if you did, leave the comment below and subscribe to the channel, like the video, join the free Telegram group, link on my bio, and if for this who always asking about the broker that I use, check the link on my description below, You know what I say? So peace out, guys. I hope you enjoyed this.